Alright guys, today we are going to review the HKS titanium exhaust on the car. I do have a catless downpipe. I wanted to get some sound clips of this for you guys before I put the turn down on, and then possibly the RK titanium exhaust. I really like the sound of this exhaust system, but it's just a little too heavy. This exhaust weighs about 60 pounds, so that's the main reason why I'm gonna get rid of it. But it does sound pretty good, so hopefully we do a good job of capturing the sound for you guys. Well, some bonus content. Dean's gonna drive his Supra and we'll get some sound clips of his. That is so loud. right, we got Dean riding passenger. He's gonna film, and we're gonna get his reaction to the Supra. Obviously, Dean has the Mark 4 Supra now. He had the Mark 5, and when he had the Mark 5 Supra, his was a 21 with the JB4, so he never had it unlocked or tuned. So we'll get his reaction here.
That's pretty awesome. The drag packet really sticks.
Yeah.
My God. Yeah, that's spicy.
I mean,
I think you got me covered.
You think I got you beat?
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, that was pulling hard. I felt it in my cheeks.
Yeah. Yeah, this I mean, we don't even have traction control turned off yet. We're just kind of...
Oh. The sticky meats are working, man.
Oh, there he is at rudders.
Yeah. I get a little shot of him. Dude, that's fast, man. It reminds me of the other Supra.
Well, it hits like it hit. I don't have to worry about the tail end whipping out because the power, it's all usable.
Man,
this is still off the shelf tune. Just wait until I get a custom tune.
Yeah, dude, that's fast.
Yeah, it really like starts pulling at the top end.
Well, you're not waiting for a turbo lag.
Right.
You're not waiting for your big single turbo. So, yeah, man, spicy.
Awesome.